One of the reasons you might want to eat turkey bacon instead of pork bacon is because turkey bacon has less saturated fat, and saturated fat, primarily from animal products, is what makes our cholesterol go up. But I was on a hunt for a nice meaty piece of turkey bacon with at least 6 grams of protein, and I found 5 brands that I want to share with you. Hi everyone, I'm Roberta. I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist here to help you lose weight, improve your heart health, and balance your blood sugar. But first, a quick hi to Cindy and Domenica. Hi ladies, thanks so much for watching. On our quest to get 20 to 30 grams of protein at every meal, it can get kind of boring eating the same protein sources over and over again. But these 5 brands of turkey bacon give us a super tasty way to get protein not only at breakfast, but also lunch and dinner. And if you wait until the end of the video, I'll show you how a certain carbohydrate accompaniment can boost your protein even more. Here are the 5 brands that I found, and each slice has 6 grams of protein. Godshells, available at Sam's Club and Publix Grocery. Greenwise at Publix Grocery. Good and Gather at Target, Trader Joe's. And Columbus at Costco. You can see on the label that one slice has a total fat 2 grams, for you sodium watchers 200 milligrams, and protein 6 grams. The preparation instructions on the package say you can either use a skillet, an air fryer, a microwave, or an oven. How do you make your turkey bacon? Well, I like to bake the whole package at one time. So let me show you a little slideshow of how I make my turkey bacon. So I take a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, put all the bacon on the baking sheet, put it in a 400-degree oven. You don't need to preheat. After 15 minutes, I flip the bacon over. If you use a wire rack, you don't have to flip the bacon. And after a few more minutes, it's done. I put all the bacon in a container to use whenever I want, but trust me, the bacon doesn't last very long. Besides eating the turkey bacon plain, which is so good, how can we incorporate it into a meal so that our meal is at least 20 grams of protein? Well, for breakfast, you can use an English muffin, which has 5 grams of protein, and combine that with 2 slices of turkey bacon, which is 12 grams of protein, add an egg, which is 6 grams of protein, and so your breakfast is 23 grams of protein. If you make a sandwich with a pita pocket, notice how this pita pocket has 7 grams of protein. Or maybe you want a brioche bun, which also has 7 grams of protein. So using either the pita or the bun with 2 slices of bacon, you now have 19 grams of protein, and you can increase your protein if you added a slice of cheese with it. And finally, pasta. If you measure out the proper portion size to control your carbs, you see 7 grams of protein. So the pasta with 2 slices of crumbled turkey bacon gives you, again, 19 grams of protein. And you can up your protein even more if you have a little bit of low-fat cheese or a salad with slivered almonds. If you enjoy bacon in general, you might enjoy these meaty yet lean brands of turkey bacon. And let me know if you've tried any of them before, and also let me know if you know of other brands that also have 6 grams of protein per slice. Please join me next time when we talk about protein powders. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and until next time, take good care of yourself. Bye.